are going to learn types of progression. There are three main types of progression. One, arithmetic progression, this is geometric progression, and another harmonic progression. Now, arithmetic and geometric progressions are in your syllabus, but the harmonic progression is not in your syllabus. You will learn this in the future when you go to 11 and 12, classes 11 and 12 standard. Now let us focus on arithmetic and geometric progression. As given earlier as the example you have seen before, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. This progression is arithmetic progression having a common difference, while this progression 2, 4, 8 having a common ratio but not a common difference is a geometric progression. So this has a common difference while this has a common ratio. Okay, understood? Clear? Now let us go into the details of arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. Let us consider this example. See, there are this example and this example. See, there are two types of arithmetic progression, one infinite and one finite. Finite arithmetic progression has specific number of elements, specific number of terms, or you can also say that, while infinite has infinite number of numbers or terms. And see, this progression is starting from 2 and reaching up to 20, while this is starting from 2 and reaching up to infinity. Hence this is an infinite progression and this is a finite progression. Now there are some terminologies that are used in while doing problems, which are used while doing problems which are related to arithmetic progression, which are some of them are first term. Let us take up those terminologies one by one. First term. What is the first term of this progression? We are considering this progression only. First term is 2, obviously. Common difference is again 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Last term is 20, as you can see. And these are the basic terminologies that you must remember. Now, coming to another important point. If let's some numbers a1, a2, a3, a4, these numbers are in AP, that is arithmetic progression. There's some a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4 and so on are arithmetic series. Okay, now these are the brief introduction and the common terminologies. One important point is that, see, I am giving very simple example for you to understand the concept of arithmetic progression, but examples like these, considering minus 2 and reaching up to 25, can also come, well as it can also go up to minus infinity. Okay, see in here, consider this progression. Here the first term is minus 2 and the last term is 25. On adding plus 3 to the first term, we are getting 1, and adding plus 3 to each and every first term, we are getting the following term. Okay, minus 2 plus 3 is 1. 1 plus 3 is again 4. Now, okay. Now, consider this progression. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So, we are getting this progression starting from 5 and reaching up to minus infinity. Okay. So, these are two very simple progression. From here, the conclusion can be drawn that an arithmetic progression is determined by adding or subtracting a specific element, let's say alpha. So if we adding plus alpha or subtracting an element, that is minus alpha, we get a simple arithmetic progression. Okay, now let's move on to the basic terms, or again some common terminologies of arithmetic progressions.